Hi, Deadlock's here again. Today I thought I'll have a quick pick of the Era 5 lever insurance padlock before I send it back to Coxie. And Mrs. D will make lots of weird noises at the puppy.
You're so funny. You want to come and say hi to everybody? No, you're going to chase your tail.
Hard to get a good camera angle with this. It's better.
You don't run away with your newspaper. It's not real newspaper, it's a pretending newspaper. Toy. Filled with crunchy things that he likes to make a racket with. He's ignoring me now. Come here then. Come here then.
So nice little turn there. Another turn. And an open. There's one open Era 5 lever insurance lock. And for those who stuck around and watched,
Come here. Look. Who's this little cutie?
this is Doggy Locks.
Who's this? Who's that? You say hello. You say hello. Oh. Oh. It's so cute. No teeth.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.